is so much beauty within us, not just in our souls, but in our intricate physical makeup, woven from hundreds of tissues. We are miles of staggering landscapes that are both simple and complex, straight and convoluted, all so well orchestrated that it is both magical and inspiring. Within ourselves, we are as beautiful as the mountains and the oceans, and we are as beautiful as the galaxies and the stars. We are a part of the universe. When we look at histological slides, we see patterns in our tissues that directly parallel those in the sky. Most people don't look through the microscope to discover this beauty. We wanted to give an opportunity for everyone to experience it. We built a student-led platform transforming histology into art, designed to be replicated anywhere by anyone. By obtaining slides from iStock and with simple use of Photoshop, histology slides can be transformed into poster art. The hair follicle can look like an owl, and a colon can look like a field of flowers. We exhibited these posters and invited people of different ages to inspire and teach. Further, we went on to creating an immersive experience. By animating each slide with the help of AI and combining animations in iMovie, we were able to project it onto a white box. Presented through art, science is approachable, inspiring, and enlightening.